I'm at Chippewa Valley Outdoors in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and I'm here snooping in 4 of the Black Series travel trailers. And these are luxury off-road camper trailers. And in this video, we're gonna snoop inside the Black Series HQ19. And there's one amenity in this 19-foot camping trailer that I'm really excited to see. So come on in, let's snoop together. Each 4 of these Black Series trailers that I've been snooping in are unique in their own way. So I've created a very special video playlist so you can see the inside of all 4 of these travel trailers. And I'll leave a link to that playlist in the video description below. It looks like they're working on fixing a drawer. This drawer right here belongs in that cabinet area right there. My first impression of the kitchen area is that there is quite a bit of counter space and storage space, but I wasn't expecting to find an oven in here. For a 19-foot camper, this is quite a nice size refrigerator. Across the kitchen is the dinette, and this also converts to a sleeping area. Underneath this bench area is where the inverter is stored. And under this bench is where the batteries are stored. And the Black Series HQ19 comes with 4 100 amp hour batteries. One of the very first things I noticed when I walked into this travel trailer was all of the windows. Windows are your best friend, especially in small campers. There's a nice storage space here to hang up clothes on both sides. There was ample storage in the bedroom, but the one thing I kept wondering about was how difficult would it be to make this bed? My first impression of the bathroom in the Black Series HQ19 was that it's pretty awesome. And this is the amenity that I was most surprised about. It comes with a washing machine. These drawers are nice and deep.